The Hirose BNC75 series, rated for 75 ohms, is most widely used as 50 ohm coaxial connectors, offering a lightweight, compact size and compliance with 3G, 6G, or 12G SDI standard. The optimized mounting area and internal design of BNC75 corresponding to 12G SDI achieves 12 gigabits per second transmission, so you can save space by replacing 4 3 gigabits per second connectors with a single 12 gigabits per second connector. SMT signal terminal design generates high impedance matching performance, and an excellent high-frequency characteristic exceeds requirements up to 18 GHz. To learn more, visit this product page on Digi-Key.com.